A high-quality PC case goes a long way to making your desktop looking the part, but if you want to personalize it and make it look like a little different to others with the same chassis, you will want to consider adding some light. An RGB lighting kit will include mostly what you need to achieve this, and it is a must-have accessory if you want to show off your PC case in style. So today, we have come with a list of the 5 best RGB LED strips for PC case in 2020 to enhance your desktop RGB lighting. We have made this list based on our personal opinion and listed them based on the price, quality, durability, features, and more. Check out the description below to find more about the products. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Phanteks Neon RGB LED Strips. The Phanteks Neon Digital RGB LED Strips provides the smoothest lighting effect with many mounting positions to highlight your system. It features high-quality LED digital RGB with full color range that creates a smooth and stable illumination effect throughout the LED strip. The Neon combo set includes 2 400mm neon DRGB LED strips, extension cable, and a DRGB motherboard adapter to offer a simple and convenient way to sync with your case or motherboard and light up your build. Each strip is equipped with a 3-pin plug and a 3-pin socket, which can be connected to compatible controllers or hubs from Phanteks and can also be daisy chained one after the other. An extension cable and an adapter for digital addressable 3-pin connectors for compatible motherboards are also included in the package, which allows the lighting of the RGB LED strips to be controlled via the motherboard manufacturer software such as ASUS Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, ASRock Polychrome Sync, and Razer Chroma. The bundle also includes brackets and guides with 90 or 180 degree angles for a better placement of the strips inside the case. The LED strips can be easily mounted around the fan slots along with the power supply cover and PCIe slots. The mounting brackets can be attached with the included double-sided adhesive tape. The Phanteks Neon RGB LED strips produce spectacular lighting effects that enhance your system at an affordable price. Next up at number 4, we have the Corsair iCUE Lighting Note Pro. The Corsair Lighting Note Pro provides individually addressable RGB lighting with software control for unique lighting effects and vivid illumination of your PC. The dual channel operation allows you to control 4 individual addressable RGB LED strips and up to 6 HD RGB or SP RGB fans simultaneously. You can independently control each RGB LED strip to display different lighting effects and animations on each strip separately. It includes 4 RGB LED strips, each with 10 individual addressable RGB LED extension cables and built-in magnets for easy installation anywhere in your case. No special interface or additional hardware is required to use the Lighting Note Pro to its full potential. Just plug in into an available USB 2.0 header on your motherboard and it is ready to light your wall. The powerful Corsair iCUE software allows you to customize and instantly sync RGB lighting across all of your Corsair RGB products, including fans, keyboard, LED light strips, and more. The Corsair iCUE Lighting Note Pro is a nice RGB addition for any gaming that will give the best value for money. Coming in at number 3, we have the NZXT Hueto RGB Lighting Kit. The Hueto Ambient Lighting Kit uses your walls to visually immerse you in your favorite games or create the perfect mood with ambient RGB lighting from the back of your monitor. With 4 separate channels, individual addressable RGB LEDs, and a variety of compatible accessories, the Hueto RGB Lighting Kit takes PC lighting to the next level. Two NZXT RGB lighting kit supports up to 40 individual addressable LEDs per channel and 80 LEDs in total, but the new lighting channels now support up to 4 addressable RGB LED strips or 5 AER RGB fans. The intuitive NZXT Cam application monitors and controls your build, enabling you to choose from presets or custom controls for your RGB lighting and fans to create your dream PC. Using Cam's intuitive interface, you will choose from dozens of presets or custom lighting options and even synchronize your RGB effects across other Hueto accessories. The NZXT Hueto RGB lighting kit isn't cheap, but the lighting effects and vibrancy do go some way to make up for the asking price, while the simple installation and great versatility of the entire kit appear well throughout and designed. Next up at number 2 we have the Chroma Hardware Development Kit. The Razer Chroma Hardware Development Kit has everything you need to instantly plug in and deck your room out in spectacular colors so you can experience full spectrum control. On top of individually controllable lights and 16.8 million color options, your LED strips are flexible, bendable and compact enough to fit the edges of your PC case or your desk. With the Razer Synapse 3, synchronize lighting presets on other Razer Chroma-enabled devices with LED strips for a unified look across your room. Or take it up a notch with the Razer Chroma SDK and tap into advanced effects to create in-game lighting alerts and actions for total gaming immersion. The Razer Chroma HDK light packs provide 2 additional lighting strips so you can achieve 4 channels of lighting output. The hardware controller features an unbelievably sticky backing to attach it under your desk, inside your case, on the back of your monitor or just about anywhere you fancy. The controller houses 2 20-pin connectors on each edge with a micro USB and 5V DC power input on one end. Razer has conveniently included a power adapter for the several regions along with the Molex power cable to help with internal routing when used inside a PC case. Whether you are looking to light up a single desk or an entire room, the Razer Chroma HDK provides a solid option with great features. Finally, at number 1 we have the Corsair iCUE LS100 Smart Lighting Strips. Extend your RGB lighting beyond your PC, bathing your environment in diffused colors and intricate lighting effects to create an immersive backdrop with the Corsair iCUE LS100 Smart Lighting Strips. Dynamically match the on-screen action in games, movies and videos, or turn your room into a living visualizer for your music. The Corsair iCUE software lets you orchestrate your dazzling light shows right down to the smallest detail with multi-layer lighting patterns and effects synchronized system-wide across all compatible RGB components and devices. The LS100 Smart Lighting Strips starter kit includes 2 45cm long strips with 27 individual addressable LEDs each, 2 25cm short strips with 15 individual addressable LEDs each, an external lighting controller, USB cable, and external power cable. The LEDs are housed in a sturdy, light-diffusing casing that softens and blends light for a continuous and smooth effect. You can mount Corsair LED strips securely to most surfaces using magnetic fasteners with an adhesive backing. The small rubber-coated lighting controller is capable of powering up to 196 LEDs across 2 channels with a maximum of 1/30 on one channel. The on-off button is conveniently placed for the user to turn off the lights without needing to disconnect the USB cable or adjust settings in iCUE. If you've got a good PC and peripherals, this ambient lighting kit will add a new and exciting dimension to PC gaming that's well worth playing for. So that was all about the 5 best RGB LED strips for PC case in 2020. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.